SONAX brand was created in 1950 in a small town in southern Germany by the name of Neuburg. SONAX's parent company, Hoffman Minerals, was founded in 1902, mining a siliceous mineral, which is a key component in metal polish. From their humble beginnings in 1950 to what is today the global leader in car care products being distributed in over 100 countries, SONAX continues to strive for excellence. Backed by over 30 chemists and engineers, SONAX is a leader in introducing innovative and cutting-edge products to improve how vehicles are cared for. With every product developed and manufactured in-house, from product development, manufacturing, label creation, to packaging, SONAX has complete control of the entire line of products and what is contained within. In fact, with strong relationships with all the German automakers, there has been times when products have been developed specifically for their needs during the manufacturing process. A very strong, trusting relationship has been developed over the years with all of the German auto manufacturers and others around the world. Today, SONAX produces over 500 liquid products with labels printed in many different languages. We continue to reinvest in manufacturing, operations, sales channels, and support worldwide. A new manufacturing plant was opened in 2014, and a new state-of-the-art facility is being constructed for an opening in the early 2020s to continue to develop and manufacture leading car care products for the world to enjoy and appreciate. As a fourth-generation family-owned business with the fifth generation prepping to step into the business, SONAX will continue to be a worldwide leader in the car care industry for years to come. No matter whether it's a small vehicle, a luxury vehicle, or a world-class motorhome, SONAX is always there for car care fans and experts alike. SONAX will continue to be a leader in innovation, creativity, and development.